Hi, my name's Holly, the Herbal Education Specialist at Pukka Herbs. Pukka Teas relies on organic, pollinator-friendly plants, which is why we've partnered with the Natural History Museum to celebrate nature and to highlight the importance of biodiversity. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own relaxing shower melt using lavender. This is a herb that pollinators, such as bees and butterflies, really love. All you need for this simple recipe is some moulds. These silica moulds work really well. 250 grams of baking soda, 75 millilitres of water, organic lavender essential oil, and if you want you can also use some dried lavender. Start by preheating your oven to 160 degrees. And then all you need to do is simply mix the baking soda in with the water. So mix this until it forms a thick paste. Okay, I like to add a little bit of lavender to the moulds. Carefully fill your moulds to about halfway up. And then place your mould in the oven for 15 minutes. Great, so when you take the mould out of the oven, this is the perfect opportunity to add your essential oils. You need to add 15 drops of lavender essential oil to each melt. When that's done, you just need to pop them in the fridge to chill for 30 minutes. Once they're set, carefully remove them from the moulds and store them in an airtight container. When you're ready to use one of the melts, just place them on the floor of your shower. And as the steam hits the lavender melt, just breathe in the lovely soothing aromas. We really hope you've enjoyed this video. For more information about Pukka and how organic farming can support biodiversity, please check out our website.